Howdy! I'm here to help you through the limiting factors and carrying capacity worksheet that's on slide 22 of your virtual notebook. Sorry you can't see my face, it's because I am in my jammies. First, I want to show you exactly how to do these highlight the correct way to complete the sentence questions. So let's look at 1 through 5. We'll do question 1 together. Basically, the underlined part consists of 3 different choices, and they're all phrases separated by slashes, and we need to pick the right one and highlight it. So let's start reading. If a population grows larger than the carrying capacity of its environment, the death rate may rise, the death rate must fall, or the birth rate may rise. Well, if we think about it, if a population is above its carrying capacity, then the environment can't support it anymore. So there will be fewer resources, and things like competition are going to happen that cause some of the animals to starve. So I think we should put the death rate may rise. So click and drag with your mouse to highlight that underlined part. Press the little highlighter and make it any color that makes you happy. I like green. So we've completed number 1, and 2 through 5 are going to happen the exact same way. Next, if we scroll down to 6, I just want to emphasize that these little gray things are text boxes, y'all. You can type directly in them. You don't need to make a new text box that sits over it. You just type right in here, and that is the perfect way to do this. These are pretty self-explanatory, so I'll let you do 6 through 9 all by yourself. Let's look at the last part. There are statements 10 through 16, and for each one, you need to name it as either density dependent or density independent. They're all limiting factors. So let's do number 10. Number 10 is a struggle for food, water, space, or sunlight. If it's density dependent, it'll hurt a large population, but not really affect a small one. If it's density independent, it won't matter how big the population is. Okay. If I think about a struggle for food, small populations don't really have that problem because they're not competing directly with each other. There's just not that many of them for them to be limited by food. They definitely have enough space. They're super spread out. If you think about plants and sunlight, a small population of plants is not going to compete with each other for sunlight. So this is not affecting small populations. It is affecting large populations. So this is density dependent. I'm just going to write dependent in the box because it fits better. Again, these little boxes are text boxes themselves, so you don't need to make new ones. You just click in and you start typing. I hope those free answers helped. Feel free to come back to the Google Meet or hop in during office hours so I can help you out a little more. See you later.